Hello, welcome to day 6 of Inktober. Today we are doing Trek. I'm hoping everybody else thinks this is as funny as I do. I couldn't work out how else to do Trek on our beautiful picture. So I am going to be the hiker who has dropped their Star Trek badge. If you're not a Trekkie, you'll be like, what on earth is that? But there we go. It is a Star Trek badge. Kath didn't think it was funny either. So I'm going to draw this into my little picnic spot here. I'm going to do it a little bit larger than it would be in real life, but it's just a triangle. And instead of finishing off the triangle, we go down steeply on one side and not steeply on the other. I know it's a bit big here, but you know, that's just how it is. Just so I can do the star. It's just a normal star, but with a really long hat on. There we go. And that is our trek for today. Oh, I didn't even set the timer. Set the timer. There we go. Okay, let's paint that up. We are captains, so, oh, where's my water gone? We are captains, so let's paint it up in yellow. Look, I genuinely don't know, but I think yellow. Quinacridone gold, maybe, if you want to get fancy. Completely up to you. I might outline it first, actually. Otherwise, it's going to take a bit longer to dry. That's what I've learnt this week. I'd love to know what you have benefited the most from in this little kind of event. In the challenge, if we called it a challenge. Has it been a challenge for you? Has it been a challenge each day to kind of make something or to kind of just put your mind to it? Has that been challenging, or has it been something that you kind of got up in the morning looking forward to? Has it surprised you? I know it has me. I can talk from experience. It's really surprised me how kind of simple it is to kind of create an image. Like, if I break it down into chunks, how kind of, I don't want to say easy because it hasn't been easy. I had to think of the designs and all that kind of stuff. But how doable, I guess is a good word, that it has been. And because it is day 6 and we are all done with our painting today, and because Trek is so quick, I'm just going to do a little bit of dry brushing here on my rocky surface. And I'm just going to look at the picture overall and check that everything is kind of where I'm happy for it to be. Dry brushing, super easy on this sketchbook because I'm using cold pressed paper for this, and I can just run the top. I can run these bristles just glided on the top of the paper, and it comes out as dry brushing, which is really nice for texture. Has anything surprised you this week? Does it surprise you that I'm a Star Trek fan? Probably not. Has it surprised you that you have kind of found it tricky to keep to a schedule? Or have you enjoyed the schedule? What things have you learnt this week that are going to help you maintain your art practice? Hopefully next week I'm already planning some of the prompts for next week because I'd quite like to keep this up. I've really enjoyed it. Other years that I've done Inktober, I have tried to do a painting a day, and it's just too much for me. I'm just going to grab a little bit of burnt sienna here and put that over that Payne's grey. See how we make that really pretty sandy texture now. So when I thought of this idea, I thought this feels really achievable. Feels like something where at the end of the week I've got this really nice low pressure page in my sketchbook that I'm really proud of. I've had some fun talking to my arty friends, that's you guys. I've enjoyed kind of company and reading things and making things and hearing about how other people have changed up or done other things, and I've really enjoyed that. So I would like to do it again next week. So if you do want to do it again next week, that's fine. I'll keep sending you out the emails, and you can we can enjoy them together. I don't know why I put red there. I just thought it would be fun. Who knows? I am going to change up my sky just ever so slightly as well. Now that my picture's finished, I just like to do, what's it called when you refocus the stuff by, I want to say it's a vignette, but I don't think that's the right word. Just make it a little bit more rounded. But there we go. Now, if you're in my Create group, do make sure you share these with me. If you're not in a group with me, you're more than welcome to take a picture and share it to me via email, or if you're a bit more shy, share it via email. I would love to see your first week. Congratulations of Inktober. We have done incredibly well. Did I go over? I didn't even go over today. That's awesome. There's all of our prompts. One last thing. Just wanted to colour in my star. Sorry about that. There we go. I will see you for the next set of Inktober.